Alright, so on this particular episode, I'm going to talk about bold, italics, and comments. Alright, so first I need to write or code a paragraph. I'm going to say, I used to love the game of basketball. Back in the day, I now love something else just a little bit more. That is something I won't tell. All I know is that I love it. Just for your information, I'm just talking. Okay, so if you want to bold something, all you do is put the letters or whatever paragraph or whatever it is you want to bold, you put it inside a tag called strong. And I'm going to bold this whole paragraph. Okay, let's see how that looks. Open it in Firefox. It's taking its time, I see. Okay. So, and there you have it. It's bold. The first sentence. The rest of it is regular. I'm going to look at this real quick. I'm going to put some breaks on it. Line breaks. Just to make it look a little better. Alright. So, there's also another way to make your sentence or whatever it is you want to make bold, but this is not the preferred way. Using the strong tag is the preferred way. Right click, open in Firefox. See, it does make it bold, but the best way to do it is to use strong tag. Okay. Alright, so if you want to use italics, the way you would do that, you would put whatever you want to be emphasized in italics. You would put it in EM tag. Okay. So the way it keeps asking me, do I want to fit in default? Yeah, see, there you go. All I know is that I love it. Perfect. Oh, and there's also another way to use italics. You just use the letter I. But this is not the preferred way. The best way to use or to do it is to use the EM tag, the M tag. Reveal and explore. Open in Firefox. Make sure I use it. Yeah, it is. Pretty sure I use the right one. Yep. All I know is that I love it. And I also meant to say I'm just talking. But anyway, so yeah, that's how you use italics and bold. And I also said I would show you how to use comments in HTML. And you do that by exclamation mark and 2 dashes and then 2 more dashes and a arrow after that. And you just put whatever you want to comment out in this tag. So I'm just gonna say I'm just showing people how to use comments. And when you use a comment, it doesn't display in the browser. It's only going to show in your text editor. It's more to remind you of what you was doing when you was writing this code, like what you was trying to do, or if another developer comes in and uses your code or works on your code, it's to show them what you was trying to accomplish. Alright, and I'm going to show you it's not going to pop up in the program when I run it. Gotta stop that. Keep asking me that. See? It doesn't show up. And that is how you use bold tags and italics tag and comments. And I will see you in the next episode. All right,